So let's say we wanted to create a necklace. You can see this is where we'd put the chain through, and a necklace with our initials on it, and we wanted to make it out of sterling silver or some other metal. Let's see what the process would follow. We want to open up a new part, and we'll go out and create let's lock to this plane here, and we'll do something. We don't want it any bigger really than 30 millimeters, because if we make it out of metal, it's expensive. So we'll just push that back, and we'll say 2 millimeters should be deep enough, and I'll just fit that view. I can turn off, well, let's turn off our base too. So now I want to go, I'm in home, I can go to sketching. So once I click on the sketching button right there, all the way to the end, there's a text profile. And so I can touch on the text profile, and the size of the text is at 6.35. I'm just going to roll with that for a minute. I'll just type in initials AB and hit enter. Okay, and so we think, oh, the text looks pretty small there. So I'll go back here to the options. Okay, and it's the first one here with the letters on it, and say that's too small. What I'd like to do is double that. So I'll go to 12 and see how much better that is. Hit OK. That's still pretty small. So I'll go back again and think maybe I could go to 18. So we just figure out what size works, and that's pretty close right there. And so we want to lock to this face, and to get it right in the center, we may want to go to the sketch view, and I'll come out here and couple of the initials, and I'm trying to get this centered best as I can. So now we have the text on this face. And what we need to do then is we'll go back home, hit the home button, and we want to go to extrude. So I'll say extrude, and I go to pick the text. Oh, I can't find it. Why isn't it highlighting? Because up here in my options, it's looking for a face. So oh no, I don't want a face. I want to go chain. So I pick on the chain, right mouse click to accept, and I'll just make that say 1.5 millimeters high. And if you want it around on both sides, it actually makes more sense to go say 0.9 tab and get it on the bottom there. So we round both sides. And we might want to finish by also putting a place for the chain to go through, say here somewhere near the center. Maybe I need that closer to the top, but you get the idea. And I'll just go hesitate on that, get the region, and zoom in if you're having trouble picking that. And so that's how we would go and create a basic necklace